It was the 3rd of June, 2006. Pastor Moksin Hasim left the house early, as he usually did. But that day he was not attending to his usual work among the Muslims in Zamboanga del Norte province. It was a special day. He was going to officiate a wedding. His daughter Merceline went with him. She enjoyed being involved in her father's ministries. Pastor Moksin and Merceline went on the long trip on his motorcycle. That was the last their family saw of them.
Pag narinig ko yun na matay sila, parang nawala yung, wala akong malay. Parang namatay din ako. Yung pag may malay na ako, parang ayaw ko nang mabuhay sa mundo eh. Gusto ko na rin mamatay.
Nakaasa ko sa Lord na sabi ko, Lord, ba't nangyari to sa amin? Nakatanong ako ganyan. Kasi parang hindi ko matanggap. Pero ngayon, natanggap ko na.
Pastor Moksin had been receiving death threats in the months leading to his murder. Muslim extremists wanted him to embrace Islam again, but nothing diminished his boldness in sharing the gospel to his own people. On his way home from the wedding, he was gunned down. He was shot 19 times. He was 47 years old. Merceline, 22, received 5 bullets.
Maghanap ka na lang ng ibang trabaho. Hindi na lang itong trabaho natin dito sa Muslim ministry nga hindi tayo makakain. Mahirap ang buhay natin. Pwede man kayo makatrabaho ng magandang trabaho. Kasi nakatapos ka ng pag-aral eh. Sabi ni Pastor, hindi ang tao ang magsweldo sa atin, ang Panginoon. Sa lahat ng mga anak ko, nagsisi sa Kanya, pati ako. Ang naranasan ko ngayon, hindi kami nakaranas ng magandang buhay sa ministry. Pero, believe talaga ako ni Pastor. Kahit walang support, nagtrabaho siya sa Panginoon.
Wala kami na magandang buhay sa ministry. Hanggang ngayon namatay. Pero hindi ako nawala ng pag-asa. Kahit patay siya, magpatuloy ako mag-ministry sa Muslim ministry. Yung kuan ko, pangarap ko sa kinuhay.
Sem liberdade pra te adorar, sem uma Bíblia para meditar.